Hello, fifth grade. So let's look at this problem. We know that we have a rectangular prism. I see that the volume is 56 centimeters cubed. I've noticed that my length is 7 centimeters and my height is 4 centimeters. My goal is to figure out what the width of this rectangular prism is, or how far back it goes. Okay? I know my equations for volume. I know that there are two of them. In this instance, what equation do you think I'm going to be using? I'm going to be using my volume equals length times width times height equation. And then I'm going to fill in what we know. We know that the volume was 56. We know that the length was 7. And we know that the height was 4. We still need to figure out what the width is, though. How do you think I can solve for that? I know in our last example we had volume and height, and we were looking for base area. So we divided. Do you think we should do the same thing here? Yes, because we need to figure out this width, we're going to divide both the length and the height from my volume to figure out what's missing. However, I don't want to divide twice. Dividing is not my favorite thing. So I'm actually going to first multiply my length times my height, because then it's going to leave me with just my unknown, which is my width. Okay, so let's divide. 4 times 7 is 28. So I know we have 28 times whatever my width is going to get me 56. So let's actually divide off to this side. We need to do 56 divided by 28. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm rusty on my 28 times tables. So I can either repeatedly add and see how many times I take to add 28 to get to 56, or I can divide. We have 56, and we're figuring out how many times 28 can go into it. If I have 5 tens, I can't make a group of 28 of them. There's just not enough. So I'm going to put a 0 there and decompose. Now I have 56 ones, and I can definitely make a group there. I know that 28 is close to 30. And I know 56 is close to 60. And 30 goes into 60 twice. So let's see if 28 will go into 56 twice, using my estimation skills. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. We used all 56 of our ones, and there's nothing left over. So I know that my missing width is going to equal 2 centimeters. And then I'm going to double check. If I go back up here and I put a 2 in for my missing length, or my width, let's see. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So it does work.